upon a time, in a vibrant African village near the edge of a vast forest, there lived a young girl named Nia. Nia was small but incredibly brave, and she had a deep love for the world around her, especially the forest. The people of her village depended on this forest for food, water, and shelter. But one year, something terribly happened. The trees started wilting, animals began disappearing, and the river that flowed through the forest turned dry. The villagers believed the forest spirits were angry and blamed each other for taking too much from nature without giving back. But Nia, with her curious heart, wanted to understand the real reason for the forest's sadness. She embarked on a journey, secretly venturing into the heart of the forest to find answers. Along the way, Nia met a wise old turtle named Baba Tano, who shared ancient wisdom. He told her that the forest needed balance and care, and if people only took without giving, everything would suffer. Baba Tano gifted Nia a magical stone that could restore harmony, but it would only work if she taught her village the importance of caring for nature. Armed with courage and her new friend, Nia returned to her village. She shared stories of the animals she met, the lessons she learned, and how they could give back to the forest by planting trees, reducing waste, and respecting nature. Slowly, her village listened and began to change. They planted new trees, cleaned the river, and lived in harmony with the forest. In time, the trees flourished, the river sparkled, and the forest came back to life. The people celebrated Nia as the girl who helped the forest, and her story became a legend passed down through generations. This story teaches the importance of environmental responsibility and sustainable living. It reminds children and adults alike that respecting and protecting nature is vital for a healthy and balanced world.